Hey, what's up everyone? It's Karthik here. Welcome back to another HD Tech video. This is a quick tutorial video about the new WSL2 in Windows 10. For those who don't know what is WSL, it stands for Windows-Subsystem-Linux. It's a compatibility layer which allows users, especially developers, to run Linux binaries on Windows without having to install any sort of virtual machine softwares like VMware Workstation or VirtualBox, etc. Let's quickly jump in and see how we can enable this feature in Windows 10. In order to enable WSL2, you need to be in the version 2004 build 19041 or higher. To verify this, press Windows R and type WINVER, short for Windows version, to find out your current build. In case if you're below the specified version, please check the description below to upgrade your Windows to the latest version. Before installing any Linux distributions on Windows, make sure you have enabled the Windows Subsystem for Linux optional feature by going into the Turn Windows Features On or Off settings. We have 4 steps here. Step number 1. Now launch Windows PowerShell as admin and run the first command. Step number 2, to enable the virtual machine platform and optional component, execute the second command in the PowerShell window. Step number 3, restart your machine to complete the WSL install and update to WSL2. Step number 4, after the restart, launch your PowerShell again as an admin, and for the one last time, run this command to set WSL2 as your default version. So here, you might not see this exact message after running that command because in my case, I have already enabled WSL2. For starters, instead of that, you will see something like this. Simply head over to that link and download the kernel package and follow the on-screen instructions to install it. It's pretty simple, just clicking next, and finish. Once you have the kernel installed, please run the command again and it should complete successfully without showing any message. That's it, guys. All the configuration parts are done now. Let's head over to Microsoft Store and download your favorite Linux binary. My favorite binary is Ubuntu, so I have already downloaded and installed it. Once the download and installation is done, simply launch them like a normal app. In the start menu, you will find the binary that you have downloaded. Click on it, and there you go. The first time you launch a newly installed Linux distribution, a console window will open and you'll be asked to wait for a minute or two for files to decompress and be stored on your PC. All future launches should take less than a second. You will then need to create a user account and password for your new Linux distribution. Go on and do that and make sure to remember them as well. There we go, guys. We have now successfully enabled, updated to WSL2 and installed a Linux binary in Windows. That's pretty much of it. Thank you for watching this video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, it's Karthik signing off. Peace out.